We're at Lightning Link. Someone requested this game, so I'm gonna try it out. This is the Bengal Treasures version. Put $100 in. We're gonna do nickel denom. You know what? I'm not feeling nickel denom right now. Let's go pennies, and let's go $1.50. See what we get. I know we need 3 Taj Mahals in this one for the bonus. There we go. Alright, we get 8 free games in this one. I don't understand why some games give you 10 free games, some give you 6, some give you 8. Absolutely nothing. Man, we haven't hit shit yet. Alright, first hit. 25 cents. That was trash. I know why too, because we're betting too much. The hell was I thinking betting $1.50? Peasant bets is where it's at. This is San Manuel, of course. My wrist is getting tired holding this phone. I really need a tripod. Can someone send me a tripod, please, and not a cheap one? What a dick. And you know what? Let's go to nickels now. Let's see. Call it 25 bets. Nothing so far in this machine. Very cold. All we get is 25-cent wins. There we go. It's $2.50. Come on, drop a major for us. Alright, a couple more spins and we're out of here. I'm not really feeling this anymore. Alright, last spin. Alright, that was trash. That was Bengal Treasures Lightning Link. At Dancing Drums Explosion, we took that $70 ticket that we had from Lightning Link Bengal Treasures, put it in here. We're betting $1.88. And we hit the golden drum bonus. So it upgrades. We're betting $1.88. We're on 10 games at 5 or 5 at 6 by 5. Alright, let's go. We always do 5. Fuck it. Let's go 5. It's gonna be hard to record. I'll try to get it. All right, that's good. That's 54 bucks right there. I'm glad I didn't pick the 8x5. There's no way I can fit that on the screen. There we go. Look at that explosion jackpot over here. 972,000. But you got to bet 588 minimum. Come on, retrigger. You got 2 more spins. That's 16 bucks. Alright. Looks like we're gonna get our money back from Lightning Link. There we go, retrigger. Beautiful. 3 more spins. Yeah, we're gonna show a profit on this machine. Another retrigger. Woo! 4 drums. That should be a good hit too, right? We got the bolts for 12 bucks. And every other symbol. Oh, kings and queens. Alright, we're over 100. Need them food dogs. Damn, we needed one in the front. Alright, last spin. There we go. God damn it. We needed one more food dog in that 4th reel. Because we had one there. That would have been huge. I paid 18 bucks right there. Would have had one more there. I probably paid close to $100 just that line hit. Alright, look at that hit. 188, paid 135. Hasn't betting, it's not well. What the fuck I've been doing wrong all these years? What's the matter with me? There we go. We put 100 bucks into Bengal Treasures. Cashed out 70. Came in with that 70. We're gonna cash out 161. Look at this, they're cleaning the escalator over here. It's incredible. You know what? I give Sam and Will a lot of shit about a lot of things, and rightfully so. But when it comes to the pandemic and cleanliness, they really got their act together. I mean, this place was a fucking pigsty before. Just reeked of cigarettes. And now they banned smoking. They banned vaping, thank God. And then they're cleaning everything non-stop all the time. So you gotta give credit where credit's due. Still a shitty casino. The way they treat their fucking players, aka me. But they're doing a good job cleaning. Looks like somebody went down over there. Yeah, by the way, Samsung Android, they did a update on the phone. Now I can switch back and forth between the cameras. Yeah, doesn't look good. All right, we're out. Recap. We're in for $420 altogether, and we're out for $933 in just over an hour and probably 20 minutes. So really quick, really good session today, thank God. Made up for some of the money that we lost at Morongo on the weekend. And so yeah, pretty good. We won on almost every machine except for the Lightning Link Bengal Tigers. Other than that, every machine, I think so. We won on everything. So pretty good trip out here. And that's it. Today is what, Thursday. So we're supposed to go with Lala tomorrow or Saturday to Agua Caliente, but she canceled on us. Everybody always cancels on us, so I don't get it. So we won't be going live, but you'll probably already know that already. So that's it. If you guys liked this episode, please give it a thumbs up, and then I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Yo, this is kind of crazy. On the way back home, I was just awake and feeling good from our win. So I came by the supermarket right when they opened. And I did some shopping with the money I won. And what they say is true. It was money won is twice as sweet as money earned. And that's definitely true. So anyways, I was like in the supermarket, I had my headphones on, my Bose headphones.
And I was kind of like feeling myself in there in the aisles. I was just like singing along with the lyrics of each song that came on, and I was feeling good. And I checked out right now, and then they have a lottery machine over here that dispenses tickets, scratchers, and paper tickets as well. And then for some reason, I was just feeling this $10 ticket. It's called Cash Bonus. I think we did it once during the live stream. And it's where you get, let me see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. And there's 5 rows by 4. So there's 20 spots. And what you got to do is match the numbers and you win the prize. So I just had a feeling. I was just drawn to this ticket. And you know me, I usually don't do $10 tickets. Usually I like 20. That's my preference. But check this out. Okay, cash bonus. All right. Nothing there. And then boom, right there at the bottom. You see that? 4 and 4 match. Check this out. Boom. $200. You know? That's crazy. It really is. You know, when you're feeling good, and I've said this before in my videos, when you feel like shit, don't go gamble. When you're upset, when you're stressed and stuff like that, don't go gamble. But when you're feeling good, you know, go for it. And for some reason, I went with my gut feeling. Gambling 101. Go with your gut feeling. And I was just looking at this ticket. I wanted to buy a Powerball, actually, but I saw it got hit last night. So it was back to 20 million. I go, oh, forget, I'll buy a scratcher. And then for some reason, this one was calling my name. And we just won $200 today. Sweet. That's money for next Friday's live stream. All right, guys, take care.